Well, in subscriber data management today, we have to handle the multiple heterogeneous networks that are coming out. There is LTE in parallel to existing 3G and 2G. There is introduction of VoLTE, voice over LTE, and there is introduction of Wi-Fi. All this makes the core network very complex to manage in terms of subscriber profile. Last year, we already introduced the IHSS, the integrated HSS, a single product that integrates the ability to manage HLR, HSS for LTE, and HSS for IMS. Now, having one of the other things that is happening is the introduction of machine-to-machine. And data MVNO, this year we see a lot of data MVNOs. So that aspect is solved by the introduction of UDR, a centralized subscriber data for all of those network access points. We have launched a virtual HSS. NFV is everything in a Mobile World Congress this year, and our portfolio was able to introduce the first VHSS in the industry, which is a virtualized version of our HSS, perfectly suited for this machine-to-machine subscriber segments and MVNO introductions. Virtual HSS, we are able to segment the market very nicely. So a customer is able to create an instance of a segment of the market, let's say for a specific MVNO, relatively with low cost, definitely with low risk. It's using standard hardware, it's software-only solution. And by introducing that kind of, let's say, small-scale offering, he can decide to go into more risky type of propositions. If things don't go right, he just reuse the hardware for something else. So virtual HSS is really solving an element of the market that is coming up, which is a lot of different segments of machine-to-machine subscribers and MVNO subscribers that the operator wants to cater for, but doesn't want to have them as part of the regular subscriber management of the HLR HSS of today. IHSS and UDR architecture actually won this year a few very significant wins and very significant deployments with the customers. Probably the most relevant for this discussion is the Jasper Wireless, the #1 machine-to-machine provider in the world. We are now deploying our HLR HSS in that environment. And also another one is a big Russian operator, which is demonstrating our capabilities of covering all of the Russia area with 6 different data centers in synchronization. And we basically allow them to have LTE service, the biggest LTE service in Russia during the Sochi Olympics. So it was a very interesting deployment. It's amazing. This year it was really one of the strongest Mobile World Congress for HP, full of energy, and I'm very happy we're here.